Before you scroll away. Before you tell yourself, I already know Psalm 23. Just pause. Because this is not about knowing it. This is about needing it. If you're tired in a way sleep doesn't fix. If you believe in God, but lately you've been questioning quietly. If life feels heavy, confusing, or lonely right now. This is for you. You don't need to be strong here. You don't need the right words. Just stay with me. There are seasons when faith is loud. And then there are seasons like this. Where prayers feel unfinished. Where silence answers more than words. Where you still believe, but you're tired of pretending you're okay. Psalm 23 wasn't written from a mountaintop. It was written by someone who knew fear. Who knew pressure. Who knew what it meant to keep walking even when the way forward wasn't clear. So let's walk it slowly. Together. The Lord is my shepherd. Not a distant God. Not an angry God. Not a God waiting for you to fail. A shepherd walks with the sheep. A shepherd notices the weak ones. A shepherd doesn't rush those who are limping. If God is your shepherd, then you don't have to have everything figured out right now. You just have to stay close. I shall not want. That doesn't mean life will be easy. It doesn't mean you won't feel loss. It means this. You will not be left alone in your need. You might feel empty. But you are not abandoned. And sometimes, when everything else is missing, God's presence is enough to keep you breathing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside still waters. Notice this. He makes you lie down. Because some of us don't know how to rest unless we're forced to. Still waters don't rush. Healing doesn't shout. Sometimes God restores us by slowing us down. Even when we don't like it. If you're exhausted, maybe this pause isn't punishment. Maybe it's mercy. He restores my soul. Not your schedule. Not your bank account. Your soul. The part of you no one sees. The part that keeps going while quietly breaking. God doesn't shame broken souls. He heals them. If you feel worn, numb, or fragile, you're not failing. You're human. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. The valley is where fear lives. Where anxiety speaks loud. Where answers feel far away. But notice this. It's a shadow. Shadows can't exist without light. And God doesn't watch you from above the valley. He walks with you through it. You are not stuck. You are passing through. I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Not because danger disappears, but because God doesn't. His presence doesn't remove pain instantly, but it gives courage quietly. You don't need to feel fearless. You just need to keep moving. One step, then another. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. Protection when you don't see it. Guidance when you don't understand it. God prepares a table. Not after the storm, but in the middle of it. That's grace. Peace in chaos. Hope in uncertainty. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me. Even on days you doubt. Even when faith feels weak. Goodness isn't lost. Mercy hasn't run out. This season will not last forever. And one day, you'll look back and realize, God never left. If you're comfortable, you can listen quietly. God, for the person listening right now, the tired one, the hurting one, the one trying to believe again, give them rest. Give them peace. Remind them they are not alone. Walk with them through this valley. Restore what feels broken. And let them feel your presence. Even in silence. Amen.